So let's start in a comfortable position lying down on your back. Just adjust your body a little until you get nice and comfortable, perhaps allowing a little space in between the arms and the legs, palms facing up. Flop your feet out to the side. And perhaps just take a big inhale. And as you exhale, a nice sigh, release some of that breath. Good. So feel your body becoming heavier as you sink down into the ground. And just imagine a beautiful wave of softness rolling over your body, relaxing the tips of your toes, shins, knees and thighs. Feel your stomach relax, chest soften as this wave of softness rolls over down your arms, relaxing every muscle in your fingers. It continues relaxing your jaw, tongue, cheeks, eyes, eyebrows, forehead and scalp. With each word I say, your body sinks into a deeper state of relaxation. Now shift your awareness from your body to your breath. Notice your inhales and exhales. Fill your body with beautiful breath, sending it to every corner, filling you up with light, relaxation and calm. And on your next inhale, follow the breath deep into the inner body as we begin a guided meditation visualization. Now I want you to imagine your day starting from the moment that you woke up, and think of it like a movie but playing in fast forward, full speed. So you're going to go through your whole day in your mind from the moment you woke up right up until this exact moment. And as I said, play it really fast, speed through the things that are happening, and you can take a little pause, perhaps at things that really stand out for you or special moments, but keep moving on, speeding throughout the day right up to now. I'll give you a moment just to do that. Good, just a few more seconds here to speed up and go through your day if you're not yet finished. Wonderful. So now what we're going to do is the best part, and I suggest you do this every day at the end of your day. So you're going to look back over your day today and pick 3 moments that really stood out for you that you're grateful for. Now, it doesn't have to be something huge and extravagant. It can be a really simple moment, perhaps when you felt the sun shining on your skin, or you heard a wonderful piece of music, or you ate something incredibly delicious, or you achieved something that you've really been wanting to do for a while. Whatever it is, pick 3 moments, and I'll just give you a little bit of time to do that now. Good, don't think too much, just pick those special moments. Whatever comes to mind first is good for you. Great, so you've got your 3 moments. Now what you're going to do is bring each moment up into your heart, think it over, and really bring in those feelings of appreciation, of love, of joy, and kind of expand them so they flow throughout your whole body. And you're going to say thank you. Thank you for each moment. So thank you for that beautiful meal. Thank you for that conversation with a partner. Thank you for the blue sky. So just do that now and remember to bring the emotion with it. Great, so take this feeling and make it stronger and stronger, this feeling of gratitude, this love, this blissful, joyful feeling. Allow it to flow through your body. Allow it to move and swirl from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. Maybe you want to bring a smile to your face. You know, how lucky are you to live this life, to experience these things? How much do we have to be thankful for? Our body, our friends, our health, our home. There's always so much to be grateful for. You know, you are so incredibly loved and blessed and bountiful, and I just wanted you to know that today. So I'm just going to leave you for a moment to really marinate in these beautiful feelings that you've generated, and just know they're always there for you, just a few thanks away, and you can access this state no matter how you're feeling before. Just enjoy this moment. I'll leave you for 1 minute and let you know when it's time to come out. And then if you feel ready, begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe twitch your nose. Take a deep breath into your belly as you inhale. And exhale, push every last drop of breath out of the body. Perhaps you want to roll on one side and rest there for a while before you get up. Thank you so much for listening to this meditation, and I'm so excited for what tomorrow brings for you, because it is going to be such an amazing day. Alright, thank you. Have a wonderful sleep. Night.